Proceed na Madam Chair.
Yes, you may.
46, on the same day, I posted the same screenshot of our video conference on my Facebook account with the caption, just telling her I cannot vote intelligently without her name on the ballot. Neither can go out and vote wisely unless the name Inday Sara Duterte Carpio appears as a candidate to presidential race, Pilipinas. A printout of the Facebook post dated September 29, 2021 is here to attach.
May I know what's happening to you, Mr. Madriaga? You seem to be crying. Are you crying?
I just remember one moment.
Are you crying?
You
are nearly crying. May I just put it on record that while reading these portions of the affidavit, the resource person Ramil Madriaga is breaking into tears. Can we go back to where you felt frustrated and you're nearly crying? Which part of your affidavit is that? Can we go back to that?
Number 46 po, Madam Chair.
Number 46. Let's go back to number 46. Okay, you may read from 46, Mr. Madriaga.
On the same day, I posted the screenshot of our video conference on my Facebook account with the caption just telling her I cannot vote intelligently without her name on the ballot. Neither can go out and vote wisely unless the name Inday Sara Duterte Carpio appears as a candidate in the 2022 presidential race.
Would you like
47.
Would you like to say something about why you are crying on this part of the affidavit?
Hindi naman, malungkot lang po.
Malungkot. Okay, please proceed.
We all know that evil will not triumph against the truth, for it is always the truth that shall set us free. Pumalpak na naman si Madriaga, itong star witness ng mga kongresista, mga gunggong kongresista. Mantakin niyo ba naman, kiniklaim niya na very close sila ni VP Sara at kakilala siya ni VP Sara sa pamamagitan lamang ng pictures na inilantad niya. Halos lahat ng mga umiidolo sa mga Duterte at lalong-lalo na kay VP Sara ay may mga picture na kasama siya. Ako man ay may picture kami noong 2013. Meron din kaming picture noong 2016 nang tumatakbo si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. At meron din kaming picture recently, 2026. Ang ibig bang sabihin kapag may picture na magkasama kaming dalawa ay close na kami? Ito pang isa, may pinalabas siyang cheque. Magkaiba yung amount. Kaya lang, yung petsa at yung number ng cheque ay magkapareho. Ano ba yan? At ito pa, sinasabi niya yung painting daw na nasa likod ni VP Sara nung nag-Zoom meeting sila, siya daw mismo ang magbigay dahil pinagawa niya raw ito sa scholar niya na taga Laguna. Na-refute ito ng tunay, totoo na gumawa ng painting. Yung gumawa pala ng painting na ito ay isa sa mga anak ng milyonaryo dito sa Davao City. Hindi ko napabanggitin ko ng apelyido, pero may-ari ng mall dito sa Davao City. Ano ba yan? Pumanpak ulit yung star witness ng mga pulpul na kongresista. Ang ginawa nila, nilabas nila si Madriaga, kiniklaim nga nitong si Madriaga na very close sila at magkakilala sila ni VP Sara sa pamamagitan lamang ng video greetings. Lumabas ngayon, marami pala ang mga kababayan natin na nagre-request ng video greetings coming from VP Sara. Ito nga, maraming mga lumabas, panoorin po natin.
Happy birthday, Sir Ram. I wish you good health and happiness. Happy birthday, Ma'am Christine. I wish you good health and happiness. Happy birthday, Ma'am Baby. I wish you good health and happiness. Happy birthday, Sir Mike. I wish you good health and happiness. Happy birthday, Sir Rechi. I wish you good health and happiness. Happy birthday, Mayor Ahong. I wish you good health and happiness. Happy birthday, Sir Lester. I wish you good health and happiness. Happy birthday, Sir Sahad. I wish you good health and happiness.
Pumalpak ulit itong star witness, itong mga pulpul na kongresista sa